Hi and welcome to my place. I've recently done my spare room into a beautiful shabby chic girls can come and sleep at my place spare room, and I needed a lovely little something for on the wall that was a little bit shabby chic. So I found this frame and I found a whole heap of these lovely little porcelain roses that I had made out of Fimo or air dry clay, or you can get the oven baked clay, but I had heaps and heaps of them and it's just the perfect colour. I had friends come to visit to see what I had done and they all thought it just looked really lovely, which was great because I thought that's what I will make for gifts. Also, I've got two lovely little girls at ballet who have helped me out so much this last term, and I thought this would be a very nice gift for them to have because they're leaving me soon because they've all finished their exams and that'll be the end of it, so I'll have a whole new lot of babies. So give me a minute to strike this and I'll show you how easy it is to put together. So I've got a lovely frame. It is a little bit detailed, the frame, and it might be a little bit busy, but the wall where it sits is quite plain. So, and it's just a lovely textural, something nice that lends, you just want to actually look into it when you see it. So that's the frame that I've used. Whatever size frame, whatever you've got will do. You'll also need the hot glue gun and you'll need some glue sticks and you'll need these lovely little roses. They're so easy to put together. I've used these lovely sort of like soft ballet pink colours because they just lend and blend into what I've done in the room. Okay, so I've put the frame all together and I've just quickly given the little wee back plate here, which is quite firm. In fact, it is firm because it's wood. I've given that a misting with paint, and it's just a matter of deciding where you want to put the components or the little roses onto it. So what I've done is I started off with the darker ones down the bottom, and it's just a matter of just gluing those into place and just continuously just putting these just like a jigsaw puzzle really. And they just all fit all neat and tidy into each other like so. And I've done them so that they're, oh, that's the cat. The cat loves to be part of filming. These just all go into here. And look, if you are new to using a glue gun, just make sure, here's a wee tip from me. If you put some glue onto whatever you're putting some glue onto into one of your items or your objects and it falls, just let it fall because you can easily pick the glue off. If it gets stuck on your fingers, the best thing to do is to have a bowl of icy water beside you and just put your whole hand into it and wait and then pick it off. Otherwise, it just continuously burns. Okay, continuing on here, but you sort of get the drift of how easy this is to put together. And it just looks fantastic. And do you know what? I love to make and give gifts. I haven't bought anything for years and years and years because and to receive something that somebody has made for me, I just think that that's just fantastic, you know? Somebody put a bit of thought into it, and you can layer these on top of each other, but you sort of get the drift. So that is all that is involved in making a little bit of inexpensive, shabby chic artwork for your wall. So I'll finish this and I'll show you what it all looks like at the end. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope I've solved you out with your gift giving problems, and I will see you all again another day.